Good morning to all our Ediftalking listeners, the Big Set podcast about construction. Today's topic is AutoCAD, and our guest is Kawan, a beauty construction student. Welcome, Kawan. So, tell us about AutoCAD. What is all about?
AutoCAD is a software used for technical drawings and design projects. It really makes life easier for people working in the field, because using it for a project is way faster and easier than draw everything by hand. Personally, AutoCAD is the thing I am most interested in during my course.
I am so fan of AutoCAD. It's really useful program for the course and at outside. Besides, let's be honest, it has some super annoying problems. In the beginning, it was tough. Man, I even lost a whole project because of system error. That is big issue with the program. Therefore, AutoCAD is great, but let's stop pretending it's perfect. To me, it's kind of a hero. However, it's got flaws too.
I think it is the most useful thing I learned so far. Like you said, it was hard in the beginning, but it was very fun and interesting for me. I never used something like that before, so I was really curious to learn.
Personally, I think AutoCAD is very boring. Even through, I get a whole useful and practical for my course. One thing I do think I really cool about the program is that they let students use it for free. A friend of mine got the license in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, AutoCAD is really fast with that actually. I didn't even wait more than a minute to get my license approved.
That's great, but for me, the main advantage of AutoCAD is precision. A hand drawn can't reach the level of accuracy we can get with the software. Once you understand the commands, it becomes much faster and easier to create drawings in AutoCAD because it's after automation for some commands.
Yeah, AutoCAD really has many advantages in them, but on the other hand, it takes a lot of time to learn its command, especially for someone not familiar with it. Also, it needs a big investment. AutoCAD is one of the best software out there right now. It's used a lot in school and the job, and it can even do 3D projects. But to be honest, nowadays there are more modern programs that are better than AutoCAD in some ways, like SketchUp for example. It's a great for 3D drawings because the interface is simple and the commands are easier to understand. That's why a lot of architects and interior designs prefer using SketchUp instead of AutoCAD.
Yeah, AutoCAD is one of the best software out there right now. It's really useful in school and job market, and I can handle 2D projects. But compared to some new programs, AutoCAD falls behind in certain areas. For example, SketchUp is better for 3D modeling. It, ha- it has a simple interface and easier commands, which makes it more popular among architects working with interior design.
I agree, even with new programs coming out, AutoCAD is still essential.
Good. For this reason, I guess we can say that the AutoCAD really is one of hero of the heroes of the course. Even with all controversies, it is still one of student favorite programs, and the classes that focus on CAD are useful pretty fun. And with that, we're wrapping up our podcast. Thank you for the listen, and we wish a great week. See you next time.